Hi everyone and welcome back, and today is the 18th of October 2021 and today I'm going to talk about, is the stock market correction over? I don't know because I don't have an answer to that, but I'm going to do some shopping today. First of all, let's take a look at the S&P 500, which is the ES chart. Now let's zoom in a little bit. I think probably a month ago, 1 month plus ago, S&P hit the all-time high, which is about 4,500. And right now, S&P is about 4,437. Today is down. I have been pretty concerned about September and October for the last 1.5 months, and right now it's the 18th of October. We are somewhere in the middle of October, and this week is earning week, so it could be pretty jumpy. And will there be a stock market crash or correction in the next 2 weeks? I think nobody know and nobody have the answer. But if you have watched my video, I have mentioned that I personally don't think that there will be a stock market crash for the next at least 8 or 9 years. A stock market crash generally occurs every 10 years. We have a 1987 crash, we have a 1997 crash, and then we have a 2008 crash. And then the next crash was actually last year, 2020. So personally, I don't believe there's going to be a stock market crash in the next 5 to 8 years. When we talk about a stock market crash, generally we are referring to a drop in the market 20% or higher. So if you want to talk about a crash from this point, then you have to drop 20%. Then the S&P would have to drop from the high. You have to drop to 3,006 to trigger a stock market crash. Of course, anything can happen in the stock market. Who knows, the next 2 weeks there could be a crash. And even if October there wasn't a crash, there could be a crash in November or December. That's what makes trading so difficult, because it is unpredictable. But if we talk about a correction, then it happens every year and happens every now and then, because the stock market cannot just keep going up without any pullback. So this pullback, at this moment we can see that it is a correction, a minor correction of about 3-4%, and then now it's up. Of course, I don't know what is going to happen in the next 2 weeks. I mean, the correction could continue dropping below 4,002. So anything that we do right now, then we have to take responsibility for it. And today I'm going to add on to my position. Basically, I'm going to buy a few stocks today: AMD, Apple, ARKK, TSM, and TDOC will be a new purchase, because the previous round I did not buy into TDOC. So let's spend a little bit of time on TDOC. It has been a very long time since I take a look at the KDU or ARK Invest. So basically, ARK Invest has a lot of different kind of fund, but I generally only follow the ARKK, and that is the main fund. So we take a look at the ARKK, the holding of it. Tesla is still their number one stock. They have 9.73% of the whole fund. They have about 10% on Tesla. Then the next stock they have is TDOC. and their average price is 163. Right now TDOC is about 135 plus minus. So that means that if I were to buy in TDOC now, I'm buying in a better price than ARK Invest. But what is more important is ARK Invest still buying TDOC? So we look at this accumulation here. Yes, they are still buying into TDOC. When TDOC is on the sideway or even coming down, they are still accumulating to buy TDOC. It means that they think or their outlook for TDOC is going up. And what is TDOC actually? TDOC is a telehealth company, which means they provide teleconsulting online. Because of COVID, the stock actually kicked off in somewhere in January. But one thing we need to understand is that TDOC is still not making money at this junction of time. In fact, a lot of stock is not generating profit. Take a look at my other stock, FSR, Fisker. This company is a EV company, but they are still not generating profit because FSR has not produced any car yet. So for a lot of stock, investor is projecting down the road, 6 months or 1 year down the road, that this company profit. If they are not making money, they are going to make less losses 6 months or 1 year down the road. So investor believe in that, and then slowly the company will turn into a profit-making company. That is the reason for some of the stock that is not making money, in fact making a loss, but the stock is still going up. Because investor invest in the stock by projection of 6 months to a year down the road. So today I'm going to buy I think 20 shares of TDOC. So let me pause the video and I'll come back in a while after I've done all the trade. So I'm done for the purchase of today. So basically I buy ARKK 20 share. I already have 20 shares of ARKK, so now my total holding for ARKK is 40 shares. So same thing for TSM, I added 20 shares. So my TSM I have 40, and then AMD added 20. Apple added 20, and then the new position was the TDOC. So I just opened the TDOC. So I have a holding of 20 shares. And then the other one I added was I sell a 1 month put on FUBO, 27 put for 186. I already own 200 shares of FUBO. That is about the current price. I've owned 2 lot on 28.50. So now I added 2 more put on 27. So basically what will happen is that if the market were to drop below 27, then I'll get to buy 200 more shares. But because I'm selling at 186, remember this is a 1 month out. From now is 18 October, so I'm selling a 1 month put option. That's why I can get about 186. So if FUBO were to drop below 27, then my new position, the 2 lot, my break even is around 25. So I think that's fine. But I think I'm a little bit heavy on this particular stock, because if I were to get a sign, then I'll be having 400 shares on FUBO. But that is a risk that I have to take, because moving forward, going into 2022, we are in a World Cup year, and FUBO is well known for the sport channel. So I believe the number of subscription going into 2022 is going to go up. So I'm doing also a 6 month projection out for FUBO. So I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but I'm going to take the bet. So that's all for today update. So these are my position. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe and share. I will see you on the next update. Thank you.